OneTouch SelectSimple, a self-monitoring blood glucose meter that helps you better understand your readings. Life dishes out some pretty sweet moments, like your granddaughter's first birthday, new family pet, or a simple home-cooked meal. Sometimes, though, life can dish out some pretty tough stuff. And just when you think things are more than you can handle, OneTouch introduces SelectSimple. Here's how it works. Insert the OneTouch Select test strip into the OneTouch SelectSimple meter. You will see your last test reading, after which a droplet icon will appear. This means the meter is ready for your blood sample. No more coding required. Keeping your finger extended and steady, move the meter and test strip to the blood drop, gently touching the test strip channel to the blood drop. After just 5 seconds, your blood glucose level will appear on the screen. If your blood glucose level is 69 milligrams per deciliter and below, you'll see a flashing arrow point to the blue dot, and here. This means that your blood glucose level is low. If your blood glucose level is from 180 to 239 milligrams per deciliter, the arrow will point to the red dot and you'll hear, which means your blood glucose is high. If your blood glucose level is 240 milligrams per deciliter and above, you will see a flashing arrow point to the red dot and hear, this means your blood glucose level is extremely high. OneTouch SelectSimple. Gain peace of mind to make the dietary and lifestyle choices to keep your blood glucose levels in range. Johnson & Johnson, the trusted brand preferred by diabetes specialists worldwide.